Welcome back. Bakri Eid was celebrated across the nation on Monday. Bakri Eid is one of the most important Muslim festivals. It has great religious significance and is an occasion of sacrifice. It was celebrated in the state with great enthusiasm and faith. Many Muslims offered namaz early in the morning in masjids. Bakri Eid is also termed as Feast of Sacrifice. Muslims sacrifice animals on this day. Meat is divided in three parts. One is kept for self, other for friends, and the third for needy ones. On this day, they wear new clothes and prepare other delicacies of Eid and share with their friends and relatives.
ईद की नमाज़ भी अदा करते हैं और ईद की नमाज़ के साथ साथ जिनके ऊपर कुर्बानी वाजिब होती है वो कुर्बानियाँ भी करते हैं। एक दूसरे से भाईचारा भी कायम करते हैं, एक दूसरे से मोहब्बत का इजहार करते हैं, हाथ मिलाते हैं और गले मिलते हैं और एक दूसरे को मोहब्बत का पैगाम देते हैं। इसलिए हम आज के इस मुबारक दिन पर अपने सारे हिंदुस्तानी और सारे मुल्की भाइयों को मुबारकबाद पेश करते हैं और अपनों को दुआ देने के साथ साथ पूरे अहले मुल्क को बेहतर दुआ करते हैं। अल्लाह हमारे मुल्क को सलामत रखे।
A reporter from Mabsa, Shamsudar Fatte. BJP has alleged that CM, Revenue Minister and Deputy Speaker are involved in Daboli Airport land scam. Parsekar has charged that the land acquired for Daboli Airport expansion has been denotified illegally.
ही जमीन डिनोटिफाय केल्या हो मायनिंगा सारकोच दुसरो मोठो घोटाळो आसा आणि ज्या घोटाळ्यांत मुख्यमंत्री आसा, रेव्हेन्यू मिनिस्टर आसा आणि उपसभापती आसा.
But Deputy Speaker has rubbished the allegations by BJP.
It is not that I have done something chupke or I have chosen to hide. I will still oppose any unwanted acquisition which is being done, whether it is for the airport authority.
Lakshmikant Parsekar has said that government should provide some relief to private bus owners by allowing them to advertise and cancel toll charges on bus stands.
खरं म्हणजे तिकीट वाढ करच्या पयलीं सरकारान विचार करूंक जाय आसले. तिकीट दर वाड केल्या ती विड्रॉ करची आणि कदंबाक ज्या पद्दतीन एडवर्टिजमेंट्स दिवपाक मुभा दिल्या ती मुभा प्रायवेट बस मालकांक सुद्दां दिवची.
State is witnessing frequent power cuts. BJP has blamed that Power Minister is least bothered about the load shedding. He complained that the electrical equipments allotted to constituencies are of substandard. Parsekar charged that Power Minister is getting benefited by providing substandard electrical equipments.
जे ताका भायल्यान खरेदी करून जे ताका बेनिफीट मेळटा ते हांगरच्यान मेळना दिसता. ह्या मंत्र्याक क्षणभर सुद्दां ह्या खुर्चेर कंटिन्यू जावपाचो अधिकार ना.
Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanolkar, with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
Child beggars in the state are on the rise. Gangs of child beggars are seen begging in public places. People suspect organized rackets behind these gangs. Many feel that the children are forced into begging and are exposed to a number of atrocities. Here is a report. Have a look at these kids on the streets in the state. This is the scene in Vasco. A gang of 40 to 50 children begging on the streets. They roam around bus stops, railway station, and later they are seen outside food counters or hotels. They move with photos of various gods. Goddess Lakshmi is their favorite. They demand money for God and not for them. They are within an age group of 7 and 14 years. Have a look at this kid. He performs risky stunts and feeds his family. His parents beat the drum and the child practices risky balancing on the rope. There are some ladies roaming with infants. This is the scene in various parts of the state. Time has come to stop child begging in the state. These children, who should have spent their age in gaining education, are forced to beg and fulfill demands of their family or sometimes gang leaders. A reporter from Vasco, Surendra Markaikar. Goa is all set to get its voice. 13 English singers and 10 Konkani singers are in the final fray of the 7th Kingfisher Voice of Goa 2011. Semi-finals were held at Nuve. The finale will be held on 12th and 13th in Madgaon.
सगळ्याच्या पाटल्यान धांव नाका बरो तूं ती मापा तोट्टाका करून दुसऱ्याची शिडी करून कित्याक कोताय बाबा had your heart in my reach
नशिबात लय चुकय अशे नाही रे मजे मागणे तेच ते रसा भोगपाच तुझे देवड देणे
Your river runs with love for me and I will open up my heart and let the healer set me free.
हाता मेथी रंगली रे या मोगा मजा काकणाय वाजली रे या मोगा मजा
Tell me why you know now the ways and means of getting here underneath my skin. Oh, you were always my original sin. Soy machirit, kai zakri gudi. Varya wangda sukण्याची पिला, मोळबाक दाटली ती कुपा.
गायताना सुरा घालायताना
काळजा तोपलोय भालो मोळबातल्या नेत्रा हे मना सांग कित्याक उदास रे मळब निळे मेकळे चल उड तू बिंदास्त रे
I'll never ever find a man like you. You got me twisted. You must not know about me. You must not know about me.
These shortlisted contestants will now perform at the finale, which will be held on 12th and 13th at SGPDA ground in Madgaon. Noted Marathi singer Vaishali Samant will perform on 12th, whereas Bombay Vikings will rock on 13th November. Bureau Report, Prudent Media. It's time now for another short break. Stay tuned.